Hi everybody, and a warm welcome back to Maple Leaf Customs. I'm Petra, Andrew's wife, and on the bench today is a 1:60 scale Matchbox 1971 VW Porsche 914. This is our entry in this year's 3 Blind Mice Painted Pink Invitational. You know that Andrew loves Porsches, so I chose this cute little one. I come from Austria, just like Ferdinand Porsche. This is my very first custom job, and of course I'm getting some behind-the-scenes assistance from my husband. Don't forget to subscribe to Andrew's channel. He works so hard on it, and I think you'll enjoy his customs. Here I'm carefully drilling out the posts that hold the car together with a number 4 metal drill bit. I lock the car in the bench vise for safety. The car comes apart easily, and because it's brand new, the window chassis and interior are in perfect condition. I'm taking the wheels off because I've chosen a special set of replacements that will be an upgrade. This week's community spotlight is on Matchbox Mark, one of Andrew's online friends and a longtime supporter of his channel. Mark is a fellow VW and Porsche enthusiast. You can find a link to his YouTube channel in the description below. Would you please visit and watch some of his restorations? I'd be very happy if you would. Thanks. Only the die-cast body goes into the paint stripping gel, and I leave it in this little covered dish overnight. No rushing. It's important to wash all the plastic parts for obvious reasons. I'm using Andrew's toothbrush here, but that's our secret. Now that it has marinated in paint stripping gel overnight, I can brush it away. The bare metal looks pretty good, but I need to use the wire brush attachments to remove a bit of stubborn paint from these crevices. This annual 3 Blind Mice Invitational is important to me because it's raising awareness for breast cancer, for which there is still no cure. Most everyone is affected somehow by knowing a family member or friend who has had, is now struggling through treatment, or has beaten breast cancer. I want to dedicate this Porsche to my good friend Denise, who is a breast cancer survivor and one of the most faithful and positive women I know. Now it's time for painting. Let's paint it pink. This is just the first coat. I'll do another one later when this one has properly dried. I'm cutting out the steering wheel, and I'll use one of these tiny resin printed ones as a replacement. That gets glued in, primed and painted black with the rest of the interior. After 2 coats of pink and 1 coat of clear lacquer, it's time for some special decals that Andrew made up for me. There's going to be a pink ribbon on the hood and a short but important one-word message on each of the doors, as well as custom license plates. By the late 1960s, both Volkswagen and Porsche were in need of new models. Porsche was looking for a replacement for their entry-level 912, and Volkswagen wanted a new sports coupé to replace their Type 34 Karmann Ghia coupé. At the time, the majority of Volkswagen's development work was handled by Porsche as part of an agreement that dated back to Porsche's founding. Volkswagen needed to contract out one last car to Porsche to fulfill the contract and decided to make the 914 that project. That's why it says VW-Porsche on the bottom. The 914 was Motor Trend magazine's Import Car of the Year for 1970. I've looked at all of Andrew's wheels and I've chosen a very color-appropriate set of Samet wheels to go on the little 914. Samet is Andrew's first sponsor. They look great and they are real rubber. Cool. Now it's all coming together. Another coat of clear lacquer has gone over the dried decals. Now that everything is totally cured, I can put it back together again. There are just 4 main pieces that sets one on top of the other. Everything fits perfectly and I can put the screws back in. I think everything looks fantastic. There's a beautiful glossy finish now. That's a little Austrian flag on the license plate for me and Ferdinand. Now it looks like this, and I think it's just the way I wanted it to be. Hope is the key word today for all those affected by breast cancer. I wish each of you health and strength, and I'm sending my love to all of you who need support. Please be sure to watch all the other Painted Pink videos that will be featured this weekend. There's a link in the description to help you find them. Remember, we are raising awareness for breast cancer. Thank you for visiting Maple Leaf Customs today. I hope you leave a friendly and respectful comment about my very first custom and come back soon and often. It's herbal tea time.